Hi, I'm Tom Arbuthnot at Modality Systems, and this is a quick Tom Talks on our Modality test nodes. So Modality Systems are a global Skype for Business and Office 365 partner. We are a global support organisation, but we also have a software development team. So we develop products around Skype for Business and Office 365. One of our products are Modality test nodes. So these are essentially little remote controlled Skype business users. You might refer to them as bots potentially. What they're doing is signing in Skype business and generating real Skype business calls. And we use them in a few different ways. We use them for network assessment, or what we call an impact assessment, where we will deploy these nodes, load real Skype business traffic on your network and check your network is performing. But we also use them for continuous monitoring. So you can drop these nodes in, have them continuously making Skype calls and conferences, and it gives us an ongoing baseline of how your end-to-end environment is performing for Skype Business. So I just want to take a minute to dive into what test nodes really are. So first of all, it's just a Windows application. So a Windows MSI runs as a Windows service, can work on any Windows install. So we can dropship you physical PCs with this pre-installed, but equally you can run this on your own Windows image. So that's really important for InfoSec, for security teams. They can deploy their own Windows hardware with their own image, with their own antivirus, their own firewall, whatever their configuration is, and you can deploy Modality test nodes on top of that. So it makes it a lot easier to get into networks compared to, say, a proprietary Linux-based test machine that needs, the InfoSec team approving that image and knowing what's going on. We are making real Skype business calls, so we're using the Skype Business SDK, automating Skype business clients and making them make real calls. So real Skype port ranges, real Skype traffic, and that's really important for catching issues that only come up when, for example, we hit the Skype for Business port range on the firewall, or we have a proxy that's watching for Skype traffic and trying to decrypt it and test it. A normal network assessment test from another vendor might be throwing UDP traffic that emulates the look and feel of Skype voice. We're literally making a real Skype call. Your audio sessions are only limited by the concurrency of the hardware. So an i7 well-spec'd laptop or Intel NUC with 8 gigs of RAM, we can run that comfortably to 50 concurrent audio sessions. If you want to go higher than that, we can stack multiple PCs, or we can have bigger servers running more concurrency. So not just the ability to make a Skype call and test, but the ability to load test. We can run these wired or wireless, as you'd expect, a Windows application. This is not a wireless network assessment, i.e. we're not going around the complete office and checking how the wireless performs everywhere. If you want that kind of service, we work with partners. What we're doing here is dropping a wireless endpoint in the network, say in the middle of an office, and just getting a feel for how that wireless is performing. And that can be a great early indicator of what the performance is going to be for end users on wireless. And of course, wired, we know that the PC is in known good condition, we know it's wired onto the network. That should be the optimal experience for Skype for Business, so that provides a good baseline for how the environment is performing. We've talked about standards-based PCs. We can also run these nodes on Azure. So if you want to load test from your environment to Azure or Office 365, we can do that by running nodes in Azure. We can also test throughput on your edge servers or your firewalls if you're running Skype Business Server. So some of our customers continuously run these test nodes both internally and in Azure, and all the time they're doing a couple of concurrent calls through the edge servers, through the firewall, just making sure the internet connectivity is performing, the firewall is performing. And finally, very easy deployment. There is no SNMP, there's no network tap, there's no port spans. This is an application level test. So we found in experience, we've got hundreds of these in some customers, and getting them in is not the huge project that maybe getting taps and port spans might be. It's a software-based approach, it's a Windows-based testing approach, and it's a Skype for Business-based approach. So very easy for a Skype applications team to work with us and get this deployed, and not the necessity to involve the network team to a very low level and test at that level. Just get in, test the load you want between sites, and work with the network team to see how the results come Hope that's been useful. Would love any questions around our test nodes, how we use them, how they work. Please get in touch, comment below, or contact us on Twitter or email. Thanks.